this video, I will share with you how to check in online step by step in Jet2. So friends, if you want to check in online, go to Google, search for Jet2. This is the website, Airflights, and then click on the first website here. After that, scroll down. When you see this website, scroll down till see this option, check in. Click on check in option. When you click on check in, you have different things, guys. You can go to your option here, your booking reference. If you want to get booking reference, just go to Jet2 ticket, and then you will see your booking reference. This booking reference you can extract from this ticket, your unique ticket. You can extract your booking reference from here. After that, friends, write your, for example, this is your booking reference. And then when you write your booking reference, write your booking contact surname. For example, this is for surname. And then from here, choose your outbound depart dates. Choose your dates you want to depart. And then you can check in easily without any problem. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Just follow this prompt here to check in easily.